What's up, everybody? This is Scott. Welcome back to another video. This is a quick video with the now newly released Google Pixel 4 XL. I want to show you what the night sight looks like and some of the photos that you could expect that comes out of the new night sight mode on the Google Pixel 4 XL. So let's take a peek at the camera app itself. And again, apologies for this. I wanted to make sure that I could do this late at night. When you open up the camera app, you're just going to see this normal shot. Again, pretty well normal. As you see right now, you can see at the bottom it says try night sight. You can also scroll over here on the right side and see that astrophotography mode is on, and you're going to notice that night sight when you see the little moon icon right there. So with that being said, let's just press this button. I'm going to turn off this light that I have that happens to be a Google Pixel 3a XL and make sure we have the light the way that we want and press our button. And you immediately see it says hold still. It's going to pull in all of that light and come up with a pretty amazing shot right off the get-go. Again, this was probably around 6 seconds or so, but let's just take a look at what that is. Directly out of the phone, you see this incredible shot. So the shot that you see right here, let me scroll over. Yeah, it's that dark out. That phone was able to create that shot directly right here. Can't see a thing at all. Somehow magically it pulled all of the light out of that. And again, apologies for shooting this at nighttime. I'm going to show you some of these different settings that you see. So inside the settings menu, you can see on night sight they have this focus far, near, and then auto as well. So I'm just going to keep everything on auto to show you. Right here, when you press this button, bam, these are some of the shots. Oh, you can see right here, this is a perfect example. It noticed that it needed a lot more time in order to finish this particular shot because it's so dark out. So it's essentially holding the lens wide opening, capturing all of the different light pixels that it has out there. So I'm going to step away from this particular video. Oh, you can see it pop up right there. So it's going to give you a quick preview as it's pulling in all of these different pixels. You can see that the picture is getting even more and more sharp. So in 2 minutes and 50 seconds, I'm going to speed this particular video up and you will be able to see what this particular shot looks like. We're now back inside of 20 seconds on that photo that I kicked off a long time ago. Again, some of you may not have the ability to wait that long. You can stop the photo at any given time. The longer you let it go, the more light it's going to let in. And again, as you can see right there at the top, it's going to say wait longer for a better photo. And the photo that comes out right out of the phone looks like this. And what is absolutely completely pitch dark with very minimal light other than the moon that you see right there in the center of your screen, this is the photo that comes out. Absolutely mind-blowing how that looks right now. And that is directly out of a phone, the Google Pixel 4 XL. The shots from the Google Pixel 4 XL are exquisite. I fell in love with the night sight mode. I have shot more in the complete pitch darkness. I've gone to some crazy places. You can see some of these signs and the shots from the city. I absolutely love shooting in the darkness at this point, specifically because of this phone. This phone made me fall in love with nighttime photography, and I absolutely love it. Some of the shots that I've gotten, and you've seen in this particular video, just blow my mind that they come out of a phone. Maddie Hippoja did a video specifically about how good the iPhone 11 Pro Max was when it comes to filming video and things like that. But the Google Pixel 4 XL, just exquisite photos at night. Not to mention the fact that it takes the best portrait photos on the market right now. The Pixel 4 XL takes the most exquisite nighttime photography out of any smartphone ever at this point. Hands down, just blows my mind at how good this particular device is. So that was a quick video about the Google Pixel 4 XL night sight mode. You can see some of the cool shots that you have here. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and let me know. Tag me on Instagram at @ScottPeachy, and you'll see this on the screen right here, and show me some of your shots that you have shot on any of your Google Pixel devices using the night sight mode. And if you have a Google Pixel 4 XL or a Google Pixel 4 and you have the new mode, link me on my Instagram or my Twitter at @ScottPeachy and let me see some of those cool shots. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. We will see you next time.